Now that you've created a job, let's take a closer look at how to navigate the job card in Fergus. First, a quick note. For quoted or estimated jobs, the job card won't become active until the quote is accepted. However, if you'd like to open it early, just go to the quote and click Add Job Phase in the bottom left corner. To access a job card from the home screen, simply click on the job number. The job card acts like a digital version of a traditional paper job sheet, centralising everything you need to manage the job. Your team will also contribute to the job card using the Fergus Go app, which we'll cover in another video. At the top of the card, you'll see the job title and description, followed by a series of tabs that organise key job information. Scheduling. Manage all job scheduling here. Labour. See submitted timesheets from staff, complete with cost and charge-out rates. You can also add timesheets manually via desktop. Supplier documents. View supplier invoices that have been linked to the job. Purchase orders. Create and send purchase orders to suppliers. And finally, stock on hand/other. Track materials added via the Fergus Go app or add them directly from the desktop. On the left-hand side, you'll find job-specific tools. Job summary. Edit customer or site details and view other information about this job. Financial summary. View a live report of job costs, charges, and profit margins. Notes and history. See a complete timeline of job activity with date and timestamps for full visibility. Files and photos. Upload, view, and manage all files and images related to this job in one place. You'll also see a range of tools listed in the left-hand panel. Invoicing is one of the most important. This is where you'll go to create and send invoices. We recommend exploring the other tools as well to see what's most relevant for your workflow. For help, check out our Help Centre guides. At the top of the job card, you'll notice the job number, followed by a letter like A. This represents the job phase. Fergus lets you break a job into multiple phases. For example, Job 1A, Job 1B, and so on. This is useful for tracking and invoicing stages of work separately, but if your job doesn't need to be split, no problem. You'll always start with Phase A by default, and you don't need to make more if you don't need them. And if you ever need to delete or cancel a job, just click the Job Settings button in the top right corner and select Archive this job. And that's it! You're now ready to start using the Fergus job card to manage your work more efficiently.